keep calling it the dollar out, child. It's the bullseye. The bullseye, okay? Vlogmas, that's what it's giving from. We're going room by room, decking the mother-loving halls, okay?
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Uniquely Lavish, you guys, and we are going to be doing a drum roll, please.
No, please.
You know how to do drum roll? Sure, I do. But okay, boom, there you go. So we getting ready to do a Christmas decor haul, you guys. Some stuff I have been stacking up, and some stuff I just went and swipe. Hopefully I'll use everything. But as you can see, the tree is bare. You guys saw us put the tree together. Probably in, I don't know if it's in this vlog or the next vlog, child. Or the previous. Either way, you saved it, right? So, you don't know either? Okay, boo. Either way, y'all, we are, excuse me.
Not either.
Not either? Okay, well, you guys, we are going to show you guys what we purchased from Michael's, Primark. Where else did we go? And Target. Hey. Y'all already know. Okay, so the decor inspiration is like a gold and red type of situation, because the tree has a lot of green, and and don't forget the white. So we're going for like red, gold, and white. And y'all, I thought that these ornaments right here was super duper cute. I'm going to show you guys. So they are glass, but they are like a velvet. Like, how cute is that, friend? And then we have, you know, a little bit of the icy players when I wife me. You know, the let me see if the camera's doing any justice. I be so mad that Hobby Lobby be closed on Sundays, but Michael's definitely made up for what I was looking for. I hope it shows. But y'all, it's just like the glittery ones. And then we also have the these are actually brown, but this is my you know, it matches my hair a little bit. But this is my idea of, like, you know, golden. It's giving me golden, you guys. But I feel like because they are, you know, that velveteen situation, that it's giving off a little bit more brown. But I think they are super duper cute, different, and absorbs. So I was excited to go with those. And what we're going to do, you guys, is we're going to put our bulbs in some clusters. Well, this isn't the decorate the tree video, but this is the haul. But yeah, I'll tell y'all anyway. I'm going to like put them in different clusters, and it's going to all come together. I'm excited about that. We have a few picks. We have some little berry stem picks, and we have us do y'all want to build a snowman? We got us a snowman. Yes, we got us a snowman, sweetie. We got us a snowman pick. He is so cute. I don't know why I thought I had more than one of him. I'm probably going to have to go back and get some more because he is uber cute. And what else is in here? Oh, and we also have like a frost white. And more red and more of that gold velvet look in this bag here. And what else we got? Oh, so I also purchased, they had this one. What inch are these again? Oh, they don't say it on the thing. I think that these are 18-inch ornaments. Now, I'm not going to use the silver out of here, you guys. However, I will use the clear and white ones because I couldn't just find like this size ornaments and, you know, separate in a pack with just clear and whites. And I need the clear and the whites out of here, so I just bought this. They were originally $29.99, but they were on sale for $15 at Michael's, you guys. Y'all better run over to Michael's now. Michael's got the situation. We also have, thank you, Sweetie, these big old jingle bells. That's what I call them. I think that they are so cute. I got 2 of these in white. Let me see the bag, please. You can't carry it. We have some present picks. These are super cute too. They have little cranberries on them and pine cones and greenery. Yes, it's cute, Sweetie. Oh, it's cute for you, period. From Target, you guys know I had to get the Santa mailbox. How much was this, Sweetie? This was only $3. And I'm kind of upset because I paid $5 for the letters itself. But this box comes with the letters, the envelopes, or the paper envelopes and the stamps and the mailbox for only $3. And I paid $5 for just the writing paper on its own with the envelopes and stuff. But that's neither here nor there. It's all good. And of course, you guys know I had to get like a Target dollar out. They always have these. What do you call these? Of course, it's not going to say. But they always have these risers. And I thought this was super duper cute. It has a little snow on it. It's giving you wood. Like, I'm here for that. I really, really am. So I'm excited to use that. Now, that may go upstairs in the bedroom to be used. I'm not sure yet. Also, Target, hey, had a mistletoe. Now, y'all, I always heard about the mistletoe, but I ain't never had no mistletoe, so y'all might get a little peek of me and hubby under the mistletoe this holiday season, period, friend. But I got to retie this knot on here. I thought it was super cute. It was on the dollar out in Target for $3. I was like, let me go get this mistletoe, girl. You know, spice it up. Anywho, and I got these little pine cones. I don't know what I'm going to use this for either, y'all. I've just been picking up stuff. I have ideas in my head, but I never know where it's going to lead to. These little pine cones that are spray painted gold. And then we have like the little berries going on there that has the gold shimmer to it. I might add them onto these red berry picks because by themselves, they're kind of plain, but sometimes you need something that's just like set by itself. We will see. We will see. And then they say that this is a blanket scarf. I don't think so. I think it's just like a regular throw that I might bunch up and use in the bed, like on my dresser. So that we can put this on. I feel like it's going to come together cute once I, you know, do my 1, 2, do my big one. And yeah, it's super cute. It's $5. Now, people be sleeping on the dollar out in Target. Please don't. Please don't. Okay? Because they be having what you be needing sometimes. And then we have this cute gingerbread man. Also from the dollar out. He was $5, you guys. Now, he may go on the bed or on the couch. We got us some, what's this? A faux snow roll, okay? Period.
Oh, I drink gingerbread.
Oh, you like him? Girl, she done took the gingerbread. Okay. He ain't gonna come, well, he might come alive, okay? I can't ruin the baby's dream. Yes, daughter, he might come alive. Yes, run fast as you can. But we got some faux snow. Yeah. All right, we got some faux snow, y'all. And what else from Target? Oh, they also had, and I'm gonna go back and get another one of these. Now this is the green that I was looking for to go on my bed in the comforter. I have not been successful in finding it yet, you guys. So I'm thinking about purchasing some Rit dye and just dyeing the comforter that or a comforter rather that I have and that is in like a nude color. Because I really want this green on my bed. Like, I really do. It is so cute. It is. And this was only $5 on the dollar aisle. I couldn't find, I keep calling it the dollar aisle, child. It's the bullseye. The bullseye, okay? I couldn't find two of them, so I just got this one in the gingerbread man. However, I feel like if I go to like a different Target in a different area or even online, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scan this in the app. And they'll tell me where another one is at, because I need one more of those. What else do we have? Oh, this is heavy. So this is from Primark. The bag is all ripped up. And I have this cute gift, you guys. And it's a LED light. It lights up. Let's make sure this bad boy works, because I sure didn't test it out. I really didn't. Now, how am I supposed to pull this out with these nails on? Okay, I did it. I did it. Emperor. Yeah, I just thought that this would be so cute. How much did I pay for this thing? Oh, this was $6. And if you're in the DMV area, let me turn the light down so that you guys can really get it. Like, this is so cute at night on the dresser. You know, on top of this with some pine cone situation around it. I think would be so cute, you know? It's gonna come together. Like, it's so cute, you guys. The LED light inside the present with the, you know, just a little something, but not too much. Because Swimpy ain't gonna do nothing, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all what my daughter gonna do. I'm gonna be honest with you, chill. The daughter of mine is going to be all in the stuff. I ain't gonna know where none of it at. It's gonna look good for about a week. For about a week, friend. Let me see. We need to fix this light. Now look. Yeah. It's gonna be good for about. It is mine. See, she already telling me it's not mine. It's not yours, baby. This is for the house. This is for everybody. Yeah, it's for everybody. Now you can't have this because this is glass. Okay? Let's find something else. Yeah, we're gonna find something else, okay? Relax. Relax, girl. So y'all see what I mean? It's gonna be finished for detail, but it's gonna be cute, okay, initially. And that's all that matters. Let me see what else we got from Primark. Let me see. Oh, and then you guys, I also have these from Primark. They are like, I might as well get them all out, huh? They are these unscented candle trees, you guys. They are super duper cute. Imagine burning these. Now, these may go in the bathroom. I'm thinking, because I do want to change my bathroom up as well, okay? We're going to be going room by room here. Doing Vlogmas, that's what it's giving from. We're going room by room, decking the mother-loving halls, okay? Fa la 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 and the la la la, period. So, y'all, that's what we're going to do. I thought they were so cute. Like, get into it, though. How much? They were $5, but get into the craftsmanship on these. And if they actually, like, burn properly, friend, I am so in love. I just thought it was super cute. Like, look at it. Come on, bathroom. Bathroom. All these text messages want to come through my phone. But that's what I have. Oh, one more thing. Oh, a few more things. So So I have these clear ornaments, you guys. Now I'm gonna whip out my Cricut machine because I want to put names on them, and I want to fill them with like some snow and some little trees, maybe some glitter or something like that. Not sure yet, but I always I can't even talk right, y'all. My three sons I can't even talk right, but my three sons, you guys, as you guys may know or may not know, I've had three second trimester losses. Meaning, oh my goodness, you broke it. Meaning that, you know, losses after being 5 months pregnant, prior to Sweet Pea. Okay, which is why Sweet Pea is. Which that's not the only reason why, but it's part of the reason why Sweet Pea is so special to me, because it took a lot for me to get her here, okay? Period. But I always like to make remembrance ornaments for my brother and my 3 children. So that's what I'm going to be using these clear ones for. We already have some that we previously made from the previous years, but I think it's time to update those. Okay, and these will definitely be hung on the tree. Like, I'm excited for this as well, because that's a project in itself. And Michael's had, the ribbon was buy one get 3 free. Now, friend, I don't know if you're using ribbon in your house. I gotta go back and get some more because the shelves was almost bare, honey, and I'm hoping that tomorrow the sale will still be there. So you buy one of these for $12.99 and then you get 3 free. So I chose red and gold for the tree. The lights are on colorful right now because that's what Sweet Pea like, and she will fuss me down, honey, if I change it. But they about to get changed to the white. It's the white lights. Huh? You broke it already. We didn't even get to hang it on the tree. That's right. But you guys... That's me and Sweet Pea all day. But y'all, I chose to go with red and gold, and I think that this is going to go well together. I can't wait to start decorating, you guys. And come here, Sweet Pea. Uh-oh, what's this? We got some more stuff in here. Oh, this is just a room spray. If you guys have a Primark in your area, I love this room spray right here. It is Madagascar vanilla, you guys. It smells super cute. Not super cute, it smells super good, girl. I spray it on my curtains, you know, on the bed, in the air. Spreads, okay? Spritz that home. Make it more comfortable and warm and inviting, okay? Come here, Sweet Pea. But I love this ribbon, you guys. I can't wait to use it. That's gold, baby. We some golden girls.
I chose gold.
That's right. But you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul as much as we did creating it for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do what, Sweet Pea? Subscribe. Yeah, so that you can know when we post. Ring ding ding that notification. I'm talking about we post like this is your channel. This is my channel, girl. When I post, okay, and when she features, okay, she makes a guest appearance. Period. Yes. When she makes a guest appearance, don't forget to share this with somebody, okay? Now, the analyticals say that 85% of y'all that watch me do not subscribe, friend. It's free, I promise you. The button right there, it say SUBSCRIBE. Hit that button, right? That's all you gotta do. You ain't got to do nothing else. If you don't do nothing else, before you leave here today, hit that button. Hit that button. Might as well say hit the button. Anywho, you guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed this haul. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, because it's a vibe, and that's on who? Period. Pooh and Marie had a little lamb in them. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.